Yo, what's good, tribe? Man, your boy didn't get any sleep last night, just a bunch of tossing and turning, and it showed in my workout today. So I think a nap's in order, man. Definitely gonna take it like a nice little afternoon nap, because I still got some things to work on, preparing for this summit, and then also this program that I've been working on for the past few months. Like, I've hit like a little roadblock, but I think with me resetting myself and focusing a little bit more, I can get a bunch done. So on my way home right now, I'm going to take that nap and check back in with you guys. All right, I am up. I just got a text from a client asking for some footage, and I think I deleted it. It's crazy, right? Anyway, I'm just trying to like dig through my hard drive and see, or dig through the editor to see where the footage may still exist, but I think your boy fucked up, man. I think I fucked up. Anyway, I'm not going to dwell on that. I'll just let them know. And if we got to reshoot, we got to reshoot, right? There's nothing you can do. All right, so the files, they do still exist. They're in my editor. Just going to find a way to export them and send them along. All right, so your boy is safe. Whew. I heard somewhere, like, I forgot who said it, but there was like never delete footage. And I gotta take note of that. I think I just need to get some more hard drives and some more SD cards, because when you're recording very high definition, like 4K or 1080p at 60 frames per second, you're just gonna run through hard drive space and card space. So I gotta make sure that, you know, I can find some wholesaler who sell them for the low-ski, so that I could avoid these situations, because I'm looking to go for bigger projects, right? Like bigger brands, work with bigger brands, and I'm going to have to come up with a system where I can manage these large files. So if you know of an awesome hard drive, like 10 terabytes that's portable or whatever, I don't know if they exist yet, but they got to be for the low ski. Well, at least for now, for the low ski. But in the future, who knows, when I'm rolling in the dough, I'll just throw money at all of it, right? You know what time it is. Daddy on duty time. It's time to go pick up August from daycare. Let's go. Wait. Before we go, let me show you guys this veteran maneuver. You could swear that I've been in this league for years. Like, I've been playing for 10 years. So every time I come back from picking up August from daycare, I make the bottle. You might have seen it in yesterday's episode when he smacked the bottle out of my hand and it fell over the floor, all over the floor. But what I did was I prepared it in advance, right? So that when I go pick him up, I'll just have the bottle ready and feed it to him, and then put him down for his late afternoon nap. And then, you know the whole routine. Go see a couple of episodes back where Dad's Guide to Bedtime works every time, man. I'm a genius, dog. Yo, I should write like a book or something, man. Like, yo, you dad should be paying me, man. Damn. The bottle, it worked. Of course it would. Right now, he's asleep for his late afternoon nap. I'm about to finish this latest episode of My Block. Actually, it's a season finale. The TL is talking about it heavy, so I got to get caught up. So, quick update. Your boy didn't go down for too long, so hey, you win some and you lose some. I was a little too cocky. Right? But at least he wants to cuddle though. Huh, buddy? Cuddle time? Right now, August in his prime right now. Just going ham. These are like my favorite times because, especially when he's here. Come here. When he's here, like all work stops and it's just me and him. We're just kicking it and crushing it. Can't wait till he's like full on competitive with me, where we can literally have like, I could hang the little hoop a little bit higher and we just like, I'm just dunking on him, taking him to the rack. I always wanted one, a little baby brother. I have 3, but they live back in NYC. But now I have my little minion, my little mini me right here. So just I just count a few more months, because this guy, he's on a rampage. Look at him, just tossing things, throwing things, picking things up. What else? What's he doing? Building things. He's into everything now, man. Look at that. What are you doing, bro? I set up the hoop. Check it out. Check it out. Bam. We're about to have like a quick little dunk contest. 3 dunks. Let's go. Dunk it. Dunk it. Yes. Yeah, let's go. I could literally do this all night, but it's about that time. We gotta feed them, bathe them, feed them again, night. Let's go, kid, come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Uh-oh, come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's do it, man. Stop playing, stop playing. All right, let's go find what you gotta eat tonight. Are we gonna do another broccoli cheddar? Huh? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, so this is a sunbasket type of night. Mama is putting baby Papa to bed. I'm starting the dinner. Today we have, actually, we're gonna be having the, this bad boy, the steak, because it's the fastest to make and we are both hungry. So let's get started with the food prep. Bam. All right, just gonna start the process and then check back in when it's all done. Damn, bustin'. All right, squad, it's a wrap for your boy. Another day in the books, another day closer to the dream. Have a good one, guys. I'm gonna eat this, chill, and see you at the next one.